Hey Travis kiddos, it's math time again. So we are going to review some of our skills that we've already worked on and then get into our meaty part of the math today, which is word problems. That's what's in the workbook pages, so we're going to get to that in just a minute. But first, I want to review some sorting of our shapes. So we can cover two things here. We can cover going over shapes a little bit. We can cover sorting, since that's what we're working on in our reading and what we worked on today in science, or you will work on today in science. So I have some shapes here in a basket. I'm sorry you guys can't feel them and manipulate them with me, but we're going to just do the best we can. I'll explain how I would sort these shapes. There are a lot of ways we can do it. So just looking at them, you can kind of see there's a variety going on in there. Okay, so I have different shapes of different colors. So I might sort them by color. So I would get all of my red ones together, put them in a pile. They're alike because they're all the same color. They're all red. Then I might get all of my blue ones and put those in a pile. All my blue, same color. And I have all my yellow, same color. That's one way to sort them. Can you think of another way to sort them? I can think of sorting them by type of shape. So I might get all of my circles together. So I'll get all of my circles. They're the same because they're all the same shape. Okay. I only have one triangle. That's my pile of triangles. I'm going to get my rectangles, same shape. My hexagons, same shape. And my square, same shape. Now, if I wanted to, I could put my square with my rectangles because technically a square is a special rectangle, right? It's special because all four sides are the same, but I could technically put it with my rectangles. If I was sorting them by sides, I could put this with my rectangles as well because it has four sides. My other shapes would stay in their same categories if I was going by sides. 6 sides for the hexagons, 3 sides for my triangle, 0 flat straight sides for my circles, and again, 4 sides for my rectangles and square. Any other way I could sort them? I could sort them by size. So I have some big shapes, get all my big shapes together, and I have small shapes. So my smaller shapes are, you can see, comparing them, small shapes, big shapes. So that is another way I can sort them. And I know it's hard to tell, but I can actually sort these another way. If you look at them, some of them are thick and some of them are thin. So I could sort them by thickness. So I could get all my thick shapes together. Oh, that's a thin one. Don't want to put that with my thick shapes. So get my thick shapes and my thin shapes all together. Okay? You can see a little bit there, the difference between the thick and the thin. So we sorted by color, we sorted by shape, we sorted by size, and we sorted by thickness. Now, you guys can go ahead and sort something at your house. Maybe you can sort the laundry. You can help with the laundry today. So you can sort by color, your lights and your darks. Or if you're putting them away, you can sort by each color, your greens, your blues, your reds, your purples, your whites, your blacks. You could sort by size. So big ones, your parents' clothes, and little ones, your kids' clothes. You could sort by sleeve length. So short sleeve, long sleeve, short pants, like shorts and long pants. You can sort dishes in the kitchen. You can sort objects in the house that you find. You can sort your books by type of book, height of book, color of book, whatever you guys want to do. Find a way to sort something and make that fun. And yeah, you could do it. You could do it with pretty much anything. All right. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to review subtizing. So that's when I show you guys some dots really quickly, and you have to think about how many you saw, how you know, and see if you can explain that. Okay, so I'm going to flash one first and show you an example. Just flash it really quickly. Are you ready? Okay, so how many dots? Think about it. See if you can remember without rewinding and counting. So here, I see 3 across the top and 3 across the bottom. So 3 and 3 makes 6. And then I see one more in the middle, 7. I recognize the 3 and 3 from dice patterns that we use. We use dice a lot, so I recognize that. And I also know 3 and 3 is 6 because it's a double stacked we've worked on. And one more than 6 is 7. So this is 7. Now maybe you recognize this from dominoes. Maybe you counted every single dot. Maybe you had a different way. Maybe you saw these 4 on the top and then counted 5, 6, 7. Maybe you did 3 on the top, then 4, 5, 6, 7. However you figured it out, great. Ready for the next one? How many dots? How did you figure it out? Think about it. Tell somebody. You can put comments in the put a comment in the comments below. Last one. Ooh, that one's a little tougher. See if you can figure it out. And explain it to somebody how you figured it out. Now, let's get into our word problems. So our word problems today are, a lot of them are comparing. So those are tricky ones and we're using a little bit bigger numbers. So when we compare, we really have to think about what is the question asking, what information do I know, and what do I need to do to solve this, and how can I do that? So because there are a lot of word problems on the workbook pages today, I'm just going to do the examples using the problems that are in the book. So today we're doing pages 79 and 80, 81, and 82. Okay? Not getting to the thinking cap yet, just the word problems. So the first problem in the book is Lynn has 12 trophies. Gita has 5 more trophies than Lynn. How many trophies does Gita have? So first of all, we need to think about, okay, what is the question asking? So the question is, how many trophies does Gita have? So we don't know that right away. We know that Gita has 5 more trophies than Lynn, but what other information do we know right off the start, right off the bat? So Lynn has 12 trophies. That much I know. So I'm going to draw a picture that shows Lynn's 12 trophies. Now I'm not going to draw trophies, that's kind of tough, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. I'm going to represent them with circles like we usually do. So Lynn, now since I'm comparing, I'm going to make 2 different rows of circles to compare exactly next to each other, the trophies. So Lynn has 12 trophies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Lynn has 12 trophies. So Gita has 5 more than Lynn. So I know Gita's going to have more trophies than Lynn. So Gita has to have more than 12 trophies because she has more than Lynn, who has 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by matching up each of those. So they have the same number, plus Gita has 5 more. So here, same, 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 same. 12, right? Now, this is where we get different. So Lynn has 12. Gita has 5 more than 12 because she has 5 more than Lynn. So same, now 5 more. That's different. So I'm going to put it in Gita's row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can go ahead and count up Gita's trophies. We're also going to write a number sentence to show how we figured this out. Now, when you do the workbook pages, it's always good to show your work. It's really good practice. It helps you find if you have any errors, helps you solve the problem. But if you just write the answer in, you just write the answer in. I'm going to show you how to do all the work, though. So we know that we need to figure out how many trophies Gita has. And we did the 12 that Lynn has plus 5 more. So we're going to do 12 plus 5 more equals how many Gita has. So let's count them up. We know we had 12. If you want to count them all again, go ahead. I trust that it's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 12 plus 5 is 17. And our answer is going to be, in the workbook pages, it asks Gita has blank trophies. And we always want to put that label of trophies in there. So 17 what? 17 jars of honey, 17 toy cars, 17 bananas, 17 trophies. So Gita has 17 trophies. So in the workbook page, you have a ton of space here. So you can draw your picture and write your number sentence, but make sure to fill in the answer here as well. Okay? but ton of space to show your work. Let's do one more together, and then I'll let you go off and do the rest on your own. So the next problem is Rima buys 15 stickers. Susie buys 7 fewer stickers than Rima. How many stickers does Susie buy? So we know that Rima buys 15 stickers. We know that Susie buys 7 fewer stickers than Rima, but we don't know how many Susie has yet. And we need to figure out how many stickers does Susie buy. So again, I'm going to compare them. So we have Rima and we have Susie. Okay, so I'm going to compare them. We know for sure Rima has 15 stickers. So let me show that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you could also show 1, 10, 5 ones. The only tricky part is when we're comparing, we might need to break up that 10 anyway. So I'm going to use this version showing all of the circles, showing all of the stickers. If you want to try this way, just be careful to cross out. I'll show you that too as we go. So we know that Susie buys 7 fewer stickers than Rima. So I'm going to count back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so those are the ones that Rima has more of. Susie has fewer. She has less. So we know that Susie cannot have more stickers than 15 because that's how many Rima has, and Rima has more. So then I'm going to match up 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. If I wanted to match up these, I couldn't match up 7 fewer because I only have 5 ones there. So that's the tricky part where then you're ending up just crossing it out anyway and showing your 10 ones instead of a 10. And then you can compare. I wouldn't cross out because they're not getting taken away, but we're comparing 1 to 1. So on some other math problems, or word problems, I can show you how to do these if it will work for the problem. This one isn't one of those that's the best to use. If you start that way and figure out it's not going to work, that's fine. You can always change your strategy and start again with this. So here, these are the ones that are the same, and these are the ones Rima has 7 more than Susie. So we know Rima has 15 stickers. We know that Susie has 7 fewer or less. So 15 minus 7, this is going to be Susie's stickers. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you already know this math fact or you can figure it out from the word problem, great. But I like to show all the work because we get the conceptual understanding, the abstract understanding, and figure out the answer that way. This is our pictorial, our picture. If you want to use physical objects, also great. You can use blocks, you can use cubes, you can use any objects you have in your house. So again, always writing the answer with a label. So Susie bought 8 stickers. Stickers is the label, right? 8 is how many? Stickers is the label. And then, or Susie buys, it says in the workbook. Either way. But so here you have the space to show your work and figure it out, and the space for the answer. If you're using objects, you can also draw it or just use the objects, whichever works best for you. But go ahead and work on them. So you can see some of them are adding 3 numbers like we've been working on, some of them are comparing, and some are adding. So go ahead and work on those, pages 79 through 82. If you have any questions, let me know, but I'm confident you guys can do this. We work on these all the time. Have fun, happy learning, and I'll see you later. Happy St. Patrick's Day.